Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So dear guys, in this video lecture we are going to discuss a concept, a most important concept of first year maths paper 2, that is 1B. The topic is transformation of axes. Transformation of axes. In this transformation of axes, we expect in the IPE examination 4 marks questions from this section. Okay, minimum 2 questions we get here in this. So in this 2 topics will be more important 2 concepts. Those are translation of axes. In the first concept is translation of axes. Another one is rotation of axis. Another one is rotation of axis. So either this one or this one we get 4 marks question. So every time, so every year they are giving 1 or 2 questions from this chapter. Okay. So before that, before going to exercise questions, I want to discuss the concept of this translation of axis. Mainly here, in a Cartesian system, here OX, here one is horizontal line, OX, another one is vertical line, OY. In this Cartesian system, I am taking a point P, X, Y. Okay. Now, if this origin is shifted to some other place, when the origin is shifted to some other point h comma k, namely it is a h comma k, then we get here new system, that is the new origin is we consider as O dash. Okay, O dash x dash, O dash y dash. Now in this situation we get another point, name it as x dash y dash. Same point, but the coordinates will be x dash y dash. So we have assumed. Okay, clear. So this is a old means original point. This is the new point. OX and OY is the original system. O dash x dash and O dash y dash is a new system. Okay. Now here the point is, if the origin is shifted to, h comma k, if the origin is shifted to h comma k by translation of axis, here the point is translation of axis. It is a key word. By the translation of axis, then the old point will be that means the coordinates of the old point will be like this: x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. Here old point or new point, here old point P is x comma y. Then by translation of axis we get new point, that is P x dash y dash. Okay. So when you know new point, if you want to find original point, we have to use these coordinates. Okay. When new point is given, if you want to find the new point to old point, then we use x is equal to x dash plus h, comma y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay. If they are given old point, if you want to find old point, means the point which is in original system, then we have to find a point which is in new system. Here new point means the point which is in new system, new coordinate of axis. OX, OY is the old Cartesian system. OY dash x dash and O dash y dash is the new Cartesian system. Okay, now old point to new point, that means they are given old point, we have to find new point. Then how to find? So from this clearly we can write x dash is equal to x minus h and y dash is equal to y minus k. So they are given xy values and h k. Remember students, here always they are giving origin is shifted to some other point h comma k. This is fixed, but we are changing new point to old point to new point. Okay, is it clear? Now based on this we solve one question. Okay. Here example is, when the origin is shifted to 4, minus 4 by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of minus 2, 4 in new system. See, here origin is shifted to this point. So here what is h comma k? This is h and it is k. So here h comma k is equal to 4, minus 5 by the translation of axis. This is the keyword I said to you already. So by the translation of axis means, if it is origin is shifted to h comma k, then new point to old point means x is equal to x dash plus h comma y is equal to y dash plus k. Old point to new point means x dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus k. Okay, now they are asking required point is in new system. That means we have to find x dash comma y dash. New system means x dash comma y dash. Okay, here they ask us to find the point in new system. That means we have to find x dash comma y dash value. And what is given? Old point means the point which is in old system. We have to find new point. So what is the formula here? X dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus k. So x dash is equal to minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Then here y dash is equal to y coordinate is 4 minus k value is here minus 5. So 4 minus of minus 5 plus 9. So okay, x dash is equal to minus 6, y dash is equal to 9. So this is the point in the new minus 6 comma 9 is the required point in the new system. Okay, clear? So like this we have to find this. Now what about curve? So here we have discussed only point. Now how to find the curve? Till now we have discussed how to find the original point when the new point is given. That means original point in the sense the point which is in old system. How to find the old point when the new point is given. When the new point is given, old point how to find. Here old new means the point which is in old system. That means ox oy is old point. The point is which is in a new system, that is ox dash and y dash is y dash is called new point. Okay. Now what about the situation of the curve? Okay, that is the main point. Here they are asking 4 marks question in this area also. That is how to transform it as the given curve. Okay. So in this is the second point is, in this first point how to find new to old, old to new we have finished. Now if the equation is in this form, if the equation is f of x comma y is equal to 0, okay, then if the equation of the curve is f of x comma y is equal to 0, then how it is transformed in the new system? Then it is transformed as, see, simple, very simple. Reason is, already we came to know that what is x and what is y. See here x is x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. So that here replace x by x dash plus h and y by y dash plus k is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the curve which is with reference to the new axis. Okay, with reference to the new axis. It is with reference to new axis. If they ask the equation of the curve in original system. Okay, that means if the equation of the curve is f x dash y dash is equal to 0, then we have to find in the place of x dash what should I write? See here x dash is equal to x minus h and y dash is equal to y minus k. Just replace it. Then f of x minus h comma y minus k is equal to 0. It is in with reference to original system. With reference to original system. Okay, like this. So this is the formula. అంటే మనం ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది కర్వ్ లో ఆ x బదులు x మైనస్ హెచ్, y బదులు y మైనస్ కే అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ x, y అనేవేమో which are the points which are in new system, old system. x, y అనేవి ఓల్డ్ సిస్టంలో పాయింట్స్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. See the question, when the origin is shifted to -1, 2, this is -1, 2, by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of this curve. Okay, so here they did not mention anything or new or old, but if the question is like this, this is the equation in the old system. So now we have to find in the new system. Okay, origin is shifted to this point. Origin is shifted to this point means this is denoted by h comma k. Okay, so given h comma k is equal to -1, 2. Now let x dash comma y dash be the coordinates of these are the, let x dash comma y dash be the new coordinates of point x comma y. Okay, and here h comma k is equal to -1, 2. So given h comma k is equal to -1, 2, let x dash y dash be the new coordinates of x comma y. Okay, clear. And here origin is shifted to this point. That means we have to find in the new axis. We have to find the curve in the new axis. So this is the original equation. What is the original equation? Original equation always will be in the old system. xy ఇళ్లలోనే ఉంటుంది. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is f of x comma y లో ఉంది ఇది, అవునా? Okay, now we have to find equation of the curve which is transformed as, okay, then this x comma y becomes x dash plus h comma y dash plus k, like this. Okay, therefore here if we consider it as, then we have here x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k, where h comma k is -1, 2. So x dash plus h means -1, y dash plus k value is 2. So you have to replace x and y by x dash -1, y dash plus 2 in the equation 1. Then it becomes, then equation 1 becomes like this. So x square means x dash -1 whole square plus y is equal to y dash plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x square plus y square plus 2 into x. Here x is x dash -1 minus 4 into y dash is, y is equal to y dash plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So I have replaced x by x dash -1, y by y dash plus 2. Reason is, here from old to new system, when we are going to transforming the equation of the curve from old to new, so the old one is f of x comma y is equal to 0, then new one will be f of x dash plus h comma y dash plus k is equal to 0. Okay, now here, so that I have substituted So that I have substituted x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k, where h comma k are minus 1 comma 2. Now we have to simplify it. So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus here also y dash whole square plus 2 square plus 2 into y dash into 2, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus apply distributive property 2 into x dash 2x dash minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 4 into y dash minus 4y dash minus into plus minus 4 to the 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if we simplify, we get here x dash square. Okay. I am writing here plus y dash square. Next minus 2x dash here plus 2x dash gets cancel. Okay, here plus 2 into 2 4y dash minus 4y dash gets cancel, and only constants are remaining. Here 1 square plus 2 square 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 minus 8, 6 minus 10. So plus 6 minus 10 is remaining, that is equal to 0. Therefore that is x dash square plus y dash square minus 4 is equal to 0. So to write final answer, we remove dashes. Okay. Then transformed equation is, then required transformed equation is x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the required transformed equation. Okay, is it clear? This is about translation of axis. When the origin is shifted to h comma k by the translation of axis, then x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. So if you want to find old point by using new point, this is the formula: x is equal to x dash plus h comma y is equal to y dash plus k. If you want to find a new point by using old point, that means if you want to find a new point which is in the new Cartesian system, so the formula is x dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus k, where h comma k is shifted origin, x comma y is the point. Okay, they will give in the question, no problem. So this is about point. Now curve. If the equation of the curve is in terms of xy, then it is transformed as f of x dash plus h comma y dash plus k is equal to 0. Just we are replacing x by x dash plus h and y by y dash plus k is equal to 0. This is the equation of the curve in new axis, with reference to new axis. Now if the equation of the curve is this one, and if you want to find the in an old system, in original system, then the equation of the curve will be in this form: f of x minus h comma y minus k is equal to 0. అంటే x dash బదులు x minus h, y dash బదులు y minus k అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో దానిపైన ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూసాం. ఓకే, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఇదేమో మనం ఈక్వేషన్ న్యూ యాక్సిస్ సిస్టంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. దేనికి? ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ న్యూ విత్ రిఫరెన్స్ టు న్యూ యాక్సిస్. In next video we discuss the given equation by translation of axis in the original system. Okay, I hope you are all clear about this concept of translation of axis. So if you like, please share with your friends and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.